Hello everyone. Today, we will be exploring the process of registering bank and cash accounts along with their corresponding opening balances. These accounts serve as the means of receiving payments from customers and making payments to suppliers. For instance, if you accept payments through bank transfers, debit cards, mobile money transfers, or cash, it is essential to input these details into your accounting software. Now, let's delve into our example scenario. According to the given information, as of December 31, 2023, Zumna Technology Limited possessed funds in 3 distinct bank accounts, as well as a cash account. Specifically, Stanbic Bank held $20,000, FNB contained $15,000, DTB had $10,000, and there was also $5,000 in cash. To record these particulars, locate the Bank and Cash Accounts option on the top left of your software interface. Click on it and then select the option to create new bank and cash balances. In the designated field for the account name, enter Stanbic Bank. For now, you can disregard the other fields and proceed to save the information by clicking on the Create button. To record FNB particulars, locate the Bank and Cash Accounts option on the top left of your software interface. Click on it and then select the option to create new bank and cash balances. In the designated field for the account name, enter FNB. To save the information, click on the Create button. To record the DTB bank account, we will repeat the process. Click on the button for Bank and Cash Accounts, then enter DTB in the name field. Save the information by clicking on the Create button. To finalize, click on the button for Bank and Cash Accounts, then click on the New Bank and Cash Accounts button. Enter the cash account name in the name field and save the information by clicking on the Create button. Before we move on, it is important to ensure accuracy. To do this, go to the Bank and Cash Accounts tab on the left side of the screen. Here, you can confirm that all necessary details have been accurately recorded. You can now see that we have only listed the banks and cash accounts without recording their opening balances. Now we can proceed to the next step to record the opening bank and cash balances. To do this, go to the bottom left corner of your software, click on the Journal Entry button, then hit New Journal Entry tab. To include the relevant details, choose Cash and Cash Equivalents in the account column and indicate Stanbic Bank as the bank name. Then, record the bank balance of $20,000 in the debit column. In the next row, choose Cash and Cash Equivalents as an account in the account column. Then, opt for FNB as the bank name and enter the bank balance of $15,000 in the debit column. Next, click on the Add Line button. Select Cash and Cash Equivalents as an account in the account column, and choose DTB as the bank name. Enter the bank balance of $10,000 in the debit column. To conclude, click on the Add Line button again, select Cash and Cash Equivalents as an account in the account column, and choose Cash Account as the bank name. Enter the bank balance of $5,000 in the debit column. Please note that the ability to choose bank and cash accounts relies on registering their names in the accounting software. Ensure you have a clear understanding of Part 1 of this lesson before proceeding with this segment. Remember to provide a brief description for this transaction, such as opening balances, and specify the date of the transaction as December 31, 2023 as provided on the model question. Make sure to check the reference box before saving, to keep accurate records. Take a moment to review your entries and then click the Create button to save. It's important to double-check the accuracy of the information you entered. To do this, go to the Bank and Cash Balances tab and click on it. Here, you can confirm that all the necessary details have been recorded correctly. You can see that each bank or cash account has its corresponding balance. If everything looks good, you can proceed confidently. In our next lesson, we will teach you how to record opening balances for suppliers on 8skice accounting software.